The market is crashing. Which stock we need to sell right now? Today, I'm going to give you the insight and teach you how to see that within 3 seconds. Okay, basically 1 second I can do that. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend. The first one we look is AVGO. Basically, I mentioned this stock and I did buy this stock. And do we have a sell signal now? The first thing we look at is the red direction. It's still going upward. It means short term is still upward trend. Second, for the short-term trader, okay, because we bought recently around this area, do we need to sell today? So far, we are still flashing a yellow candle. The yellow candle not yet disappear. It means we do not really need to sell this moment. Although we have the risk the big volume trader is leaving, but we are still going upward. So which is fine. I mean, look at the yellow candle. Is it disappear? If no, just hold it. Just hold it, okay? The red still go upward, the blue still go upward. So we do have a risk today. I mean today. I don't know tomorrow, but today we so far so good. This is very easy strategy. Second stock I need to check is this one. Oracle. Oracle, I told you we have a target price. If you don't know the target price, watch our video. I will put in the end of this video. So now, do we have a short-term sell price if you're a short-term trader, okay? So Oracle, do we have yellow? Yes. Is it yellow disappear? Yes. And did they drop below the red or drop below the last yellow? Yes. So this is the sell signal here for short-term strategy. If you're long-term strategy, you can use the blue line or you can also check our target price because this red line, if you don't have my indicator, you don't need to follow my trade because you should follow for more longer term trade because this one is very fast. We sell today, maybe we buy back tomorrow. This is a short-term trade. Okay, so we bought before. We're making profit. I'm making around 8.48% profit. So basically, this is the for short-term trade. Yeah? For long-term trade, we don't have a sell price yet. So very easy, right? Look at the yellow candle. If they drop below and they disappear, this is the sell signal. The second thing, what if there is no yellow? What if there's no yellow? They just drop below, but there's no yellow. So it's up to you. It's up to you. Yellow signal is OBOS. It's another indicator to tell you, hey, this is a sell price. This is a sell point. Okay? So it means two signal to tell you to sell. This is only one signal to tell you to sell. Okay? So just want to give you a bit head up. Right now, the blue is still going upward. Okay, so it's up to you because our buying is uh red and blue line. So which is you can use either strategy. Okay, if you think the market is too frustrated and you are happy with the 8.48% profit, you can also cash out to reduce the risk. If you have my indicator, you can always buy back with the short-term strategy. Okay, so now we go to another stock I mentioned. Oh, yesterday I mentioned this one, LCAT. Yesterday I mentioned this stock and look at, so basically yesterday I told you the blue is going downward and basically they did push down the price, right? So basically today, if you bought yesterday, this is the sell signal also. Okay, this is a sell signal. So if you look at so you lost here, but you know this is a small loss instead of a big loss. So this system can avoid the big loss. That's why I say wait for the blue light. Wait for the blue light. The blue light is the trend line. The trend line is still going downward. That's why it's risky. That's why it's not all in, right? So another thing, even you bought my system, you still need to follow the cut loss strategy. If they flash a cut loss, then you need to cut loss. You don't hold it. Oh my God, I want to hold it. This is such a great stock. No, you don't know the great stock or not because it's everything depends on institution holding. Everything. So we sell when they have a signal. That's it. We just follow the discipline. Okay, so this is LCAT. And then we go back to Tesla. Tesla, I told you last video also, we have a short-term buy strategy, but it's not all in because I told you we'll come back down, which is fine because, okay, if you bought with the purple, they come back down, you sell here, okay? If you follow the purple. The red also sell here. The short term, you also sell here. The regular term, the blue line is doing upward, okay? But we don't know how, if you're making profit here, it's up to you. You can use blue strategy or red strategy, okay? The blue is regular timeline. The red is short-term timeline. And another one I look is MRVL. This stock I make crazy profit in short time. So going to show you. Do we have a sell signal? So now you look at this chart in 1 second, you can tell me, do we have a sell signal here? We don't have a sell signal here because it's still yellow candle. It's still yellow candle here. And so far we are okay. The red is still going upward. So we don't have a sell signal, MRVL. Okay. So I want to show you how much I make this one. So far is 81.4% already in a very short term time. So just because where did I buy it? I bought here. They jump above free line and they click. The main thing is they kick out all of the green. The red above the purple, the purple line go upward. So this is the start of the bull one, right? Because the blue line changed the direction. Does it make sense? That's why I buy here. But the real bullish time is actually, if you look, is from this candle. Why? Because free line going into same direction and free line in the sequence, short term, regular term, long term. So this is a very bullish signal. Okay. So if you look into weekly chart, so some people say, oh, which timeline should I look? You can look at daily chart or weekly chart or monthly chart. Doesn't matter because it's the same thing. Look at here, right? So I bought this one, March 6th. So if you look back the weekly chart, basically the buy signal is also on the same week here. Here, you see the red changed the direction. The blue is still go upward. So this is the best buying opportunity. And after that, they go up. Okay. And it's very cool. So if you bought here, you can also use weekly to do your sales strategy. So when the yellow disappear, they drop below the red. The first or they just drop below. Okay, the yellow disappear, they drop below the red. You sell your capital. Okay, so for example, your capital. Let's say your capital is you put here. I put my cost is 82.27 and now it's 165. So if they drop below the red line, disappear, I get my capital out. I get my $92 out and let the profit run until they change the direction. Is it clear? This is very easy strategy. So now look at monthly chart. Look, lately, where's the buy signal? The best buy signal, of course, is this candle. September 2nd, because the red changed the direction, right? But this one, why this is so bullish? Because they above zero. And this line is going upward. That's why is everything look good, they push up everything. Here, this red line is still turning downward. That's why you can buy here. This is one of the buy point, but they will come back down and come again. It's possible they come back down. It's not necessary. Sometimes they just go straight up. So it's when this fun line going upward, this one going upward or above zero, and this one in the sequence basically is a very bullish. It's not buying in the dip, but you are buying at at the the points they start to expose. Is it clear? So this is very easy strategy. You just look at daily chart because you expose, you don't look for too long term. You just look for daily chart for this kind of pattern. For this kind of pattern. If you find this kind of pattern, this is upward, this is above zero, then that's enough. So what is this pattern? Let me repeat. Free line, go upward. The sequence has to be red above, blue in the middle, and purple at below. Okay? You find in daily chart because this kind of pattern is a very short-term play. Okay? So you just use this strategy, how to sell. The yellow disappear, the drop below the last yellow or the drop below the red, sell. That's it. That's it. Okay. Sorry, you get your capital out and let the profit run or just sell. Okay. So this is a very easy strategy, and I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This is only for education purpose. If you watch my video and if you're a short-term trader, you want to catch this kind of movement, please subscribe to my indicator because without my indicator, you don't know when to sell. You have no idea how to sell. So, and also we have 7 winner, actually total 17 winner. You have 15%, 50% off, half price for all of my product until end of this month. So grab the chance. And 7 people have comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. You also have 1 week of free indicator asset, and I want you to make money too. So thank you very much, everyone. And click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.